This conference will now be
I
recorded.
forgot to bring my speaker today. So fine. On the recording, right? Anyhow, the recording will not be available for next 3 days. But those who are missing the class today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, right? It is just a note for them that videos will be available from Monday. By knowingly, I will not upload the video. I will record. The session is getting recorded. Don't worry. But the videos will not be accessible to you. Clear? Focus on the class. Focus on the class.
Hello,
Once
Rupam.
again, I'm repeating. Sorry?
Hello, Rupam.
Online. Sorry?
I would like to, yes. Can you hear me? So nothing,
Yes, I can.
it's just like, we are working and then listening to the classes like whenever we can. So, yeah, like for us, like it's bit important to have the recorded
I do
sessions.
understand that it's
So
a bit
anyways, I
important.
can able to wait
This is
until
not the
next
first
week.
class I'm handling. You are the 109th batch that I'm handling. It's not that I'm doing a trial and error with a
Yeah,
batch, and definitely not.
yeah.
Being an ethical trainer, when I see that the batch is going into a wrong direction, I have to take some drastic
Hmm.
steps, which might impact people who are in the good path. It's not that all are bad. Might
Yeah.
be people who are religiously doing it. But when a decision is taken, it impacts both good and bad. So there is no other option that even you have to undergo that strain, even though you are in the good path. You have to go
Hmm.
through that strain.
Yeah.
Decisions are always tough,
Yeah. No,
right?
no worries, Rupam.
So
Yeah.
please, because this is what I'm seeing wrong. People are taking in a relaxed way, which I'm not liking it. Day one, I told you in my class, if you're not serious, I'm not the trainer for you. Yes or no? Those who are in the demo class, if you're not serious, then I'm not fit for you, or you're not fit for me. There are so many other institutes, so many other batches. Please go and join there. I'm not here for sake of a money. My salary is enough. Sitting in India, I'm earning a US salary. I'm a solution architect. I'll show you my salary certificate. You'll understand that what salary I'm earning. These monies doesn't even go to my account. They go to my wife account, and I don't even look on it, what she's doing. I have a good success rate. My kids get job, and I want to continue that trend. I don't want to spoil that trend, right? And hence, this week, all the class will be recorded, but not a single recording will be shared with you. Break your head. Wall is here. Hit hard, right? I am here. Ask the doubt. After the class, I'll sit for 1-2 hours. No problem. I don't mind sitting for another 2 hours, bunking my office. But I will make sure that your doubts are clear and you are perfect. That promise I can give you, but I will not give you the videos. I'm willing to spare another 2 extra hours. I'll be here till 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 3 hours extra I will extend. I will run my office from here. If you want to stay with me, stay here with me. But I am not going to share the videos for this week. I want that seriousness to come in you. People have become lazy. I was checking the attendance sheet, including the online also yesterday. How people are joining. I was seeing the trends, and which I didn't like. So that is the reason today I decided that. Yesterday I decided I will not upload the video. Let's see who comes to me. Whoever comes to me with the video, I will check your attendance sheet first. How many classes have you attended? I'm thinking to implement this for people who are attending only will get a videos. People who on and off bunk, we will not give them videos. Let them suffer. Right? I'm declaring it and then I'm continuing the classes. Everybody clear? If you don't like me, you can withdraw yourself. I'm giving you that chance again. Last and final chance. People who doesn't like me or you don't like this rule, you still have an option to opt out. Please opt out. You can choose another batch, another trainer, right? Or you can choose another institute. I don't mind. If you worry about your fees, I will talk to the management. I'll make sure that your fees is refunded 100%. Why I'm so strict? Because I'm about to enter in the world of programming very soon. I'm about to enter in the world of programming. These many days, it was all click here, there. It was all functional. But you see that now it's getting a little bit deeper, more than functional. Today's class towards the ending, it'll all start. Today itself, the bouncing will start. And that is the reason I'm quite serious. If this is the trend it follows, I'm expected to see 56 in online. I'm able to see 41. See, almost how many are vanished? 14 to 15 are vanished. Here I'm about to see about 60. 59 is what has been registered. If I take a count, right? Let's take a count. Start from 1. Anything? Anyone? 20. 33. 34. 44, 45. Here also I see 14. 59 minus 45. How much? 14 or 15? 14 plus 14, 28. 30 students missing. It is the message for those 30 people who are missing. If you don't want to continue, please disconnect the classes going forward. I don't know who. Monday when you watch the video, if you don't want to continue, please disconnect the class. Relax at home.
Sir, online guys are
Now
more
you got the
sincere.
reason? Sorry?
Sir, online guys are more sincere.
No, Alok.
Sir, online guys are
Maybe
more sincere.
no, I don't agree to that.
Can you hear
They're
me?
also 15 missing. Yes, Alok, I can hear you. But they're also 15, here also 15. Almost 1 or 2 number here and there, but it's all the same. You should be 59, you are 41. Here it should be also somewhere about 57. How many are there? 45. So I can say that offline are more sincere than online. Opposite.
Sir,
Right?
actually, we are
So
suffering. If an online videos are not getting, then we will suffering much more. We can practice at the end of this session. We can practice the online videos.
I know that you can practice with online videos, all advantages you can call out. But the advantage, I'm not going to give you the videos for this week. Right? Ramchandra has arrived. One more guy joined. Somebody called him. Hey, sir is getting serious. Join our Anangane, he also. Right?
No, Rupesh. Actually, I was working under multiple shifts.
Okay.
If 1 week I will be available and available to attend the classes, the other day I will be in sleeping because due to that rotational shifts.
If you have a
So that is the
problem,
reason.
let us know. Even for a bunking in my previous classes, maybe I'm taking time here. People ask for a leave. I don't want to be that serious with you guys. Right? Even if you do, if somebody doesn't attend 1 or 2 classes, they used to send me a mail. Please approve. Something like a school days. Leave for today. See, I'm Ashwini 101 batch. Today I'm unable to attend the class because of the morning. This 11 a.m. suddenly fell on my head. And right. See, I don't want to implement such serious rule in the class that you have to write a leave letter to me or right. All are grown ups, enough matured. You are standing at your verge of your life where you are waiting to get settled. Then why that seriousness is lacking, guys? Being a trainer while driving, I am so serious that I have to reach on time. If I had been not serious, I'd have come. See, who is there to stop me if I come by 10:45, 10:50? Can anybody point me, or the institute can point me? No, I'm a trainer. But still, I see that 10:32, 10:33, even though I'm driving, I activate the link for online guys. While driving, I take the session in case if they have a doubts, they can utilize it. While I'm driving, I put on a speakerphone. I say, okay, ask doubts. Tell me, if you people are not serious, then why I should take that risk of my life, keeping online guys on a car driving and attending, at least utilizing that 5-10 minutes they waiting on the link, better than they ask doubts. So if your trainer is serious, I want you to be serious. I take this class as very serious. That seriousness is there. That's the reason I try come running and watch my watch, saying that no, I need to keep that quality of my class of being seriousness. I cannot be a relaxed person that come teach, go away. Money వచ్చిందా, డబ్బులు వచ్చిందా లేదా, fine. మీరు గంగలో పోతే నాకేంటిది, whether you go to hell or not, why should I care? If that is the attitude I would have not even asked you guys who is coming, who is not coming. I'll go and ask, fees వచ్చిందా? Right, let them not come. But that is not the trend that I follow, right? Even if there are issues, I make sure that I come here, I discuss, I keep everything open of my life. What's happening if I'm taking a leave, why I'm taking a leave, you'll come to see, right? Hence, please, we are already 20 minutes here. Enough of classes speaking. Manchi class speaker, please sir, subject ki randi, right? So let's get into the subject. Yes, online.
Hello.
Please. Yes, tell me. Yes, hello.
Sir, actually, at least those guys are not attending the class. At least
See, it's,
do not
I
share the
cannot go and
videos.
sit in 1 minute. I'm a working trainer. I have my own office to handle. Already my meeting requests are getting populated. I don't have a time to go and analyze who is attending, who is not attending, share the video, give individual video permission to. Total class strength is about 120 or something. 118 is the total class strength. I cannot do that. Don't expect this is the only one batch I'm running. I have 5 batch a day to run. Right? Grow up. One problem one person cause a problem, others has to suffer. Yes, tell me. I will share the videos on Monday, all these week videos, whole 5 videos, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th. This, oh, 19th is no class. 18th, this 4 days videos you will get on 20. Suddenly all the videos will appear in your box, right? It's not that
Not
I'm not
Monday, sir.
responding.
Please, sir. Not Monday. You can upload the video on Friday. We can practice more.
Okay, then somebody says Friday, I'll give it on Friday, right?
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. At least I will be not that adamant. I will take one of your requests. Friday, done. By Friday all the videos will be uploaded. Perfect. Now let's get into the subject. Last class we have seen the automation tools. We have seen that the first tool that we discussed in the last class was approval builder. With an approval builder, we can build approval process for any object. I build it for system object called opportunity. You can build the same for your custom object like patient, payment. The process is same. There is no change. Today, we are going to talk about the next tool called as workflow builder. Write down workflow. Start taking the notes. Workflow. Right, online is giving equal 43 now, right? Okay, write down workflow builder. Put a heading called as workflow. Right? Right. Executing of an action. Executing of an action based on a condition. Executing of an action based on a condition and criteria. Executing of an action based on a condition and criteria is called workflow. Is called workflow. Right? Types. There are two types of workflow. Number one, immediate workflow bracket instant workflow. Immediate workflow bracket instant workflow. Next, future workflow bracket schedulable flow. Schedulable workflow. Schedulable workflow. There are two types of workflows available: instant or immediate, future or schedule. Next, actions. Actions. Type of action supported. Number one, first one, email. Number two, task. First one, email. Number two, task. Number three, field update. Field update. First one, email. Second one, task. Third one, field update. Fourth one, outbound message. Outbound message. There are 4 actions: email, task, update, outbound message. 4 actions. 3 criteria. 3 criteria. Write down. Criteria is 3. In a workflow, there are 3 criteria. Number 1, created or edited. First one, created or edited. Next one, created or every time edited. Second one, created or every time edited. Third one, created, subsequently edited every time. Third one, created, subsequently edited every time. Now let us see this practical. What is a workflow? It is execution of an action. What are the actions we have? 4. So what is a workflow? Execution of those 4 actions that I gave you. Email, edit, email, update, task, outbound. These are the 4 actions. Right? Execution of an action based on a condition and criteria. There are how many criteria? 3 criteria are there. Right? Automatically system will do this. Is called workflow. That's the definition of workflow. Let us do it practically. Rupam @of109.com, password CRM1234#. Logging in. Right? Right. Here we go. I switch to Lightning. Perfect. Done. I scroll down to my process automation because everything is under automation. Right? So I come down to process automation. I will look for called as workflow rules. If you remember that I gave you actions. What are the actions? Email, field update, outbound message, task. These are the four. You can see that task, email, field update, outbound message. These are the four actions available. Execution of these four actions with a condition and criteria is called workflow. Only these four actions. Whenever you want an automatic email to go, we will create what? Workflow. For example, if you remember, we created a template long back. Welcome template, welcome to Apollo Hospital. Whenever a new contact is created, we want what? And welcome email to go. You remember? There we are sending manually. Somebody has to, after creating the template, you have to click on email, click on insert template, click send. Yes. Now today, we will make that automatic. As soon as you create a contact, immediately an welcome email will go. No human being required. System will do this task automatically. Again, after 10 days from today, again we will send, are you happy with our services? One feedback email, one follow-up email. Able to understand my business requirement, what I'm going to do today? As soon as a patient, right? As soon as a contact is created, we will go ahead and send a welcome email. After 10 days, I have to send a follow-up email. After 10 days, an appointment has to be created with the patient, with that contact. Not today, after 10 days, right? Automatically, a field has to be updated. Yesterday, we did a field update. If you remember, in the approval metrics, rejected, approved. Here also, I want to update any field, a description field, let's say, because that is only empty here. Email sent, meeting created, follow-up meeting scheduled 10 days from today. I want that comment to come. Where can I do that? All these things are done inside to a place called as workflow rule. You can first create the actions, then come and create the workflow. Or else you can start creating the workflow and then you can create an action. Anyway, it's fine. First create action, then workflow, or create workflow, then action. Right? So let's do first workflow and then we will create the action. I click on workflow rules, scroll down, click on continue. Right? I click on new workflow rule. Again, it is object dependent. Workflow rules are object table dependent. The way approvals are also table dependent, workflow rules are also table dependent. You cannot write a general workflow, right? Whether you create patient, whether you create opportunity, whether you create case, whether you create applicant, immediately a mail has to go. No, you cannot write general. You have to write table specific. So which table? This time I will take contact table. Contact. Click next. Right? So okay, contact. What is the workflow rule? I will say contact auto workflow. Contact auto workflow. Now, if you remember that I gave you three criteria. Created every time edited, created, subsequently edited. Now let's understand what is this. When you want this rule to get fire, if I say created at the time of creation only, right? If you see the definition, execution of an action based on a criteria and condition. Where is the condition? Here is the condition. Wherever, right? Billing city, it's not compulsory that you have to give. Mailing city contains Hyderabad. This is the criteria I'm giving. This rule will work only at the time of creation If you give HYD, Hyderabad, Hydernagar, Hyderguda, Hyderpura, right? Anything with Hyder, HYD, if you give, the rule will get fired at the time of creation. Here, at the time of creation, it is Bangalore. Later, somebody after 10 days, somebody came and changed the city to Hyderabad. The rule will fire now. Here, time of creation, Bangalore. After that, somebody changed to Hyderabad, nothing will happen. Because you said only at the time of creation. Here, creation plus every time edited. Every time edited. There is a very less difference between this and this. This two, there is just a red thin line difference. Otherwise, both are same. However, whenever you click on the second one, it says you cannot create time dependent workflow. Schedule workflow cannot be created for this option. Created every time edited. Right? Created every time edited. You make any change, rule will fire. Even if this condition, suppose I created an contact with billing city Pune. I am in the second option. Then I change the phone number. The rule will get fired. After firing, it will stop the rule. Are, sorry, Hyderabad kada, city Pune kada. Oh, stop it. Done. Somebody went and changed mobile number. Again, this rule will get fired. Any field you change, the rule will get fired and then it will check the condition. Getting the difference? Edited, created every time edited. That means my focus is on Hyderabad field, but you change mobile, you change email, this rule will get fired. Then it will check the condition. If the condition satisfied, then only it will go and execute those actions. Right? Paint. Those who are not able to understand, let's do it with the help of a paint. Paint. Right? Here. At the time of creation. Creation. Here, these are the actions. What are the actions available? Number one, email. I want to send an email. Next, update. I want to update a field. Next, I want to create a task. I want to send a message to Facebook or WhatsApp. Outbound. First one, anytime record is created, system will call these actions. Pretty clear, no confusion at all. Second one, created, right? At the time you're creating a record, right? Immediately system will fire this. Perfect till it's clear. So what it says, created every time edited. Now I edit it. What? I'm editing phone. I'm editing phone. I'm editing fax. Fax. At the time of creation, system will check city Hyderabad or not. At the time of creation, it will check city Hyderabad. It's a condition. Here, every time system will fire the rule and then it will check the condition. What is the condition? City Hyderabad. Here at the time of creation, it's let's say Hyderabad. Here at the time of creation, let's say it's Bangalore. Then also the rule get fired. It will check the condition and then will say, hey, city is Bangalore, man. False call. It will not go. So you change last name. You have changed the last name. Again, rule will check the condition. Again, workflow check. That means here, workflow will check condition every time in all field. Then last one created. At the time of creation, it's Bangalore. System will not even go and check the condition. Nothing happened. You changed edit phone. System is not even doing anything. Edit fax. System is not even doing anything. Edit billing city, mailing city. As soon as you touch the city field, immediately condition get fired. City, Hyderabad. Yes. If yes, it will call the action. Simple word. Workflow is a watchman. You have asked the watchman to watch that diamond. Here, this is the last one, which is the watchman. If you touch the diamond, then only it will react. Whether you touch the glass, it will not say anything. Let him touch the glass. Here is the second one is the watchman. Touch the glass. Hey, don't touch. Even though the task was given that diamond, secure the diamond. Right? Even somebody is talking. Ha 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 ha. Hello, sir. Phone not allowed. Anything you do in that room, he will get activated. You talk loudly, he will get activated. You touch the glass, he will get activated. You go near to the glass and see like this. Hello, hello, hello. This is the second watchman. Second one will, right? If somebody touches the diamond, immediately take a revolver, shoot. That was the command given to him. Somebody tried to steal the diamond, shoot. The orange one is the one which is doing the job. You told him whenever the city is Hyderabad, then only go and execute the actions. If name changes, he doesn't care. Phone changes, he's not even looking at those fields. He's not even looking at those fields. In the second condition, any changes, he's getting alert. ఏం చేంజ్ అయింది ఏమైంది నేమా అచ్చా ఓకేనా నేమ్ కదా ఓకే ఫైన్ అగైన్ హీ గోస్ టు స్లీప్ మోడ్ something has changed. What is the something? Phone has changed. Okay, fine. Again he'll go for sleep. What's changed? City change. City change. Cap, take out the gun, then fire. This is what the whole story is going on here. Here, because this watchman is reacting in every action, even unnecessary action also he is reacting. Right? You cannot create time bond. Because in the data, you will have a lot of unnecessary. Sometimes you're changing name. For that also, he's lifting the gun. Wait, don't fire. For everything, he's lifting the gun. So hence, we cannot have time bond here. Right? Once I create time bomb, you'll understand. Here, it's not like that. Other than city, you change any other field, he will say, I don't care. I was given instruction to protect the diamond. Unless until somebody touching that diamond, if they shout in the room, if they cry in the room, if they fight in the room, if they touch the outer glass also, I'm not going to react. If somebody breaks also, I'm not going to react. Glass broken, no problem. If somebody after breaking wants to touch, then only I'll shoot. Till the time the glass is broken and then he's watching, he's not even touched, he will not react. This is what the orange is. Understood the difference between the three? Created, every time edited. Created, any time edited to subsequently meet criteria. What is my criteria? Hyderabad. Only when the Hyderabad is met, then only this will fire. Here it is getting alert, firing and then stopping, right? It is called as hyperactive mode. Is hyperactive, not, this is proactive mode. Perfect, good. Now I click next. What are the actions you want? There are two types of workflows I told you. One is immediate, another is time dependent. Immediately, what do you want to do? These are the actions. Immediately, I want to send a new email. Welcome contact. Where is the template? For that, we should have created a template. Did we create a template? We did that, no? Template creation, we did for what? Patient? In the email, didn't we created a welcome email or something?
No, Rupam, we didn't created any template.
Seriously? How come we come out of the email without creating a classic letterhead? Wait.
We just created a normal email. We sent it to your email only by inserting one image, Rupam. We don't have like specific template on that point.
Shit. How can we miss that? Okay. Fine. Let's keep this workflow topic side. Let's come to the another topic. Now, okay, guys, keep the workflow topic aside for a minute. Don't worry, it's a fast, we can complete it. Nobody asked me this letterhead. Did you went through this all? We didn't go to the email?
No.
Complete email was not done?
No.
No, Rupam.
No, Rupam.
Data management was done?
Yeah. Big object is left.
Yes.
Okay, that's big job is left, fine. We will do it when we come to an object creation. Relationship is over? Object creation is over?
Yes.
Okay, fine, no issues, right? Let us see, we'll see all these things. It's simple, it doesn't take more than 30 minutes to see all those things. Now, I want to send a welcome email. Every contact or every patient you create, you have to send a welcome email. That is what the business tells you. If I give it to a sales rep, that guys, you go ahead and send, what will happen? Everybody will write in their own English. Hello, sir. Right? Welcome to Apollo Hospital, sir. How are you, sir? Right? Doing good, sir. Right? Now, I don't want this to happen because my company reputation will go into stake. I will create a template, a structure, and I will tell everyone to use that structure. I will tell everyone to use that structure. Nobody should show their English talent here, right? Directly come, select, send, automatically system will do that. For that, the first step is that I will design a company letterhead. Being an official communication, I want a colorful email to go in a company letterhead. You know what is a letterhead? On which your fake experience or original experience is printed, right? So letterhead experiences are printed. So same thing, a letterhead. How to create a letterhead? In real time, right? Images will be given to you by client. I already told you this long back. No images you will try to build by yourself because client is very specific. Car the bonnet bend aindankondi, if the bonnet of the car is bent, KCR will kill you because that is his logo. You can't play with that logo, right? Same way, let's assume that APO, Apollo Hospital. We have downloaded some logos. It's already there in our drive. Perfect. Let us check it. SFDC, OF109. We have Apollo. This is the one, right? Now what I'll do, right? Did you upload the logo? Yes. How did you upload it? For the app creation. Okay, fine. First thing is that step one, get the logo. After you get the logo, for now, switch to classic because this is a classic letterhead. It says I switch to classic. For the first step, I switch to classic. I click on plus sign. I'll scroll down and look for documents. Here is the documents. I click on new. I will say logo 1. Is this logo externally available? Yes, because I'll be using this logo in my email and email will go out. Email is external. I'll send it to external customer, right? Remote is there. Perfect. There or not there? Chalo. Fine. Logo 1, right? Next, where is the file? Choose the image file. Click on choose file. Where is the logo? Right? So I'll go to my C drive underscore SFDC underscore and the folder is OF109 and I select the logo. I click on save. Logo got uploaded. Perfect. Once again, I'm showing you the step. Switch to classic. Click on plus sign. Scroll down. Look for documents. Click on new. Give a name LO2. Check externally available. Click on choose. Point the image where it has been given to you. I take this. Click save. Oof, such a big logo. Right? Perfect. Logos got uploaded. Second step, switch to Lightning Pack. Come to letterhead. Setup. I'm going slow because as I'll not give you the video, so I'm going very slow. Setup. First step, upload the image in my document. First step, upload the image in my documents. Sorry, documents, not my documents, documents. Second step, come to email, click on classic letterhead. Classic letterhead. Click on next. Click on new letterhead. Check the box available for use. Give a name letterhead 2021. Any name. This is the official. This is the official letterhead. Everybody is able to understand. Click save. This is the letterhead builder. Letterhead is divided into three sections: header, body, footer. Header, body, footer. In the header, I want a logo. Select logo. See LO1, LO2, right? LO1, LO2, which we uploaded in the step 1, it's available here. So I'll say LO1. Too big, remove. Select logo. LO2, అది ఇంకా పెద్ద big. So remove logo. Right? Let us look something small. I'm looking for something small. Huh? Which is down? Oh, white copy. Save the image. Anything else? Small size anywhere? This is Puttidi. Save as. Right? Save. I'll just check one or more and then we will go. This also looks to be small. Save as. Right? Apollo logo. Apollo logo. Okay. Perfect. I've downloaded a couple of images. Right? Once again, I'm repeating the same step what I did earlier. Switch to classic. Click on the plus sign. Click on documents. Click on new. LO3. External. Browse. Right? I'm taking this first. Save. Perfect. It's small only. Don't worry. Next. Again, back to documents. New. LO4. Choose. This one, right? Okay, this one. Open. Save. Small. Perfect. We got our requirement. Come to the classic letterhead. Click on select logo. LO4. It comes like this. Click on properties. Make it to center. Click OK. Perfect. Now here I want my color to be Apollo, right? Color. Okay. Just trying to match the color. Look now towards the bottom. Again I will select logo. 3. There are lines are there. Top line. Again I'll select a color. Okay. There's a middle line. Again I'll select a color. Right? Line color. You can give a red color also. Top you can give red. Your wish. So I'll give a red. Let's say that. One red line will come. Right? You want to see how it looks? Preview. This is how our letterhead will look. Header, body, footer. Right? Perfect. If you want to design more, you design more. I don't mind. Take your time, design more, make beautiful. You want background color also, you can use it. For that, you need to have a light image. So many things are there. Close. Here, edit property. Here, you can select a color. So it look like this. For that, you should have a transparent image. We call them as vector image. Those who knows. So otherwise, in the background, the image will come because now it is a white background image. So that's the reason it's coming up. So I'll remove the color. Okay. For the minute, I'm saying color equals to white. Perfect. Letter is created. Save. This letterhead, I can use it for any standard communication template. What are my requirement? My requirement is that as soon as a contact is created, we should be able to send an welcome email. So now I go to, here it is, classic email template. Third step. First step, upload the image to document. Second step, create letterhead. Third step, create template. So I'm on the third step called create template. Click on new template. Is it a plain text? No. HTML using letterhead? Yes, because that is what we just created. Visual Force custom without a letterhead? No, that will be white background. Visual Force, we don't know. Text, plain text email will go. No, I want using letterhead. My letterhead, on that I will print. Click next. What is the name? I will say welcome new customer. Welcome new customer 888. Right? I'm saying available for use. Which letterhead? The one we just created a few seconds back, LH2021. What type of letter you want? Here are the styles. Free form, complete, formal. Total 3 sections will be divided. Promotion, this side, that side. Promotion, this side, that side. Newsletter, 4 square boxes. You can define the style. I will say this one, formal. Right? Description, send welcome email to new customer created. Subject, don't fill. Click next. Subject, don't fill, click next. Now your letterhead comes. Your body is divided into 3 pieces because you have taken formal. If you would have taken promotional, then your body would have been divided into 2 square box, 1 left, 1 right, 4 square boxes. Here I will say, welcome to healthy world of Apollo Welcome to the healthy world of Apollo Hospital. I want bold, underline, center, font, size. I want this to be in white color or red color. It will look like this. I will lock it. If I lock it, nobody can make a change. End user cannot make a change to this section. Now I will say, dear, I want name to be appearing. If I am sending to Abhishek, it should say dear Abhishek. Same letter if I am sending to Karina, it should say dear Karina. Dear. Contact fields. Oh, contact fields. Which field? Dear first name. Dear first name. Copy. Dear first name. Right? Space. Last name. Dear first name, last name. Comma. In this system will automatically put that first name and last name. We are happy here. I will make this bold. I will change color to white. This whole part also I'll change the color to manchi ani petledu. Which color? We'll take some light colors. It will be more visible. Okay na? Change cheskoni tarvata. In the place of mobile, I want the customer mobile. Phone. Email. Perfect. Regards. Whoever created the account. Created by. If Sachin created, Sachin name will come. If Ravi created, Ravi name will come. Ravi Shastri. Rahul created, Rahul name will come. Right? Now subject line. Dear. Subject also I have given that same. Wherever I want dynamic fields, dynamic value, I will copy from here. Guys, able to understand everyone? Yes or no? Yes, everyone. Online, offline, both. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Clear? I click on next. If somebody doesn't prefer to receive colorful email, company has blocked colorful email and only receiving text email. Then I'll say copy from text. Same thing. Without color, without background. Click save. One template got created. One template got created. Now, how the sales will use this template? Perfect. Let us see the end user usage. End user will, okay, whenever they create a new contact, what is new? What is the name? Mr. Right? Name, right? Mr. Right? Abhi, ABHI. Last name, I don't know. A. Abhi's phone number, 111. Abhi's mobile number, 222. Abhi's email address, abhi@abhi.com. Click on save. Aadhaar is mandate. Click on save. We just created an account called contact called as Abhi. Sales will, the end user will come on, click on what? More email. Click on this one called as here, this icon. Insert, create, update template. They click on it. Can you see your template here? Welcome customer 888, which we just created. Select, insert. Immediately, see, dear Abhi A. Automatically the mail has been written. Rupam Chakravarti, partner relationship. I'll click on send. Email sent. Ardhamautunda? Yes. Now, here this is manual. Right? There is an user called as Abhi A we just created. Other than this, there is a user called as, let's say that who? Right? Let's say Jack Rogers. I want to send an email to Jack Rogers. More email. I'll come and click on this plus sign. I will select the template. In real time, there'll be so many templates like this. Welcome email, update email, escalation email. I click on it, insert. Before sending guys, I'm a little bit zooming out. Before sending, you see that this piece is locked. There's a locked icon. Can you see? You can't edit this because you have locked it. However, you didn't lock this. Somebody can say, Sir, how are you? Enter. Sir, how are you? And they can click on send. Right? They can click on send. Because you're not locked it. So make sure that wherever is required, lock it. This is manual. We told, what we told? Every new contact to be created, an email has to go out. Suppose the user forgets to do this, then now I'm doing it manually. After sending, I have to click on more, click on email, select the template, click send. Suppose the user forgets, now we will do an automation. This is a manual step. Any user, any contact, you can go ahead and now send that welcome email. I have to open the contact and have to send the email. Everybody clear what I'm saying? Yes or no? Any contact, Bhanu Prasad. Let's open Bhanu. Click on more, click on email. Right? Once the email comes in, scroll down, click on plus sign, click on this, click on insert. There is nothing to see, click send. Bhanu has received the email. Bhanu Prasad has. Bhanu, you're there on the class? Yes. Check your mail. You should have received the email. Mobile unda? Can you access your Gmail? Mail has gone, by the way. Right? A mail has gone. Got it? See, he got it. Right? It says what? Unopened. He has just now opened it. Let's see. Refresh. Now it should show open. It should show email open because he opened it. Yeah, he's showing it. See, those who want to see. Right? Last opened few seconds ago. Whatever he is doing, I'm tracking here. Whether he is opening the email or not, right, can also be tracked in Salesforce. See, last opened few seconds ago. Right? Clear now, everyone? Gmail.com. Let me see whether I am receiving that email or not, because I don't think here it is, because everything is going on BCC. This is how Bhanu has received the email. Subject: Dear Bhanu Prasad, welcome to exciting world of Apollo. Dear Bhanu Prasad V, right? We are happy. This is your mobile number. This is your email address. Can you create an email template now? Can you create a case template? Can you create an opportunity template? Your opportunity has been registered. Your opportunity size, your opportunity has been registered. Your size of your opportunity has been, right? Your opportunity has been approved. Your opportunity has been rejected, right? You can do that, right? You can do this. Everybody clear? Right? Anybody has any questions till here before I go to the workflow? Anybody? Yep, tell me. Because this is a classic feature. This feature is a classic feature, right? That is the reason you have to. Clear? Any other question? Anybody has any other question? आपको भेज रहा हूं मैं. I'm just sending the location. Okay, 2 मिनट दीजिए. Right? Anybody has any question? Hey, how to share a location? Online, any question?
Rupam, can we actually directly create a template in Classic?
Yes, you can do it in Classic also, same thing. Right? You can do in Classic also. You can do in Classic also. Right? How to do in Classic? Let's see. Somebody has asked. So let's complete his wish. Same thing. Switch to Classic. Right? You want to see how to do in Classic? Click on Setup. Right? Step 1, upload the image. Remain same. Now in Classic, it is called as communication template. Click on Classic letterhead. Click Next. Continue the same step that I gave you. Next, email template. Click New. Continue the same step that I gave you. Using click Next and continue. This is the way you do in Classic. Meaning is same. Perfect. Now we will do an automation. We will do an automation. Using what? Using workflow. Now we come to the topic. So what I do, I click on Setup. Setup. I go to my workflow under Process Automation. Right? I will look for workflow rule. I will click on, right? Let it come. Continue. Already you see that contact workflow auto we created and we stopped. Do you want to create from the scratch? Let's do it. New rule. What is that? Where do you want to create? I want to create on contact. Where is here it is. Click next. What is the rule name? New, right? New CONTACT contact WELCM welcome rule. New contact welcome rule. Created only at the time of created. No. Created every time edited. Very dangerous. I will select this one. Created any time edited subsequently meeting criteria. What is my criteria? Wherever the mailing city, contact mailing city contains HYD. Contains HYD. Save and next. There are two type of workflow actions available. Immediate, future. Immediate, what do you want to do? Send an email alert. Immediate, what is that? Welcome the customer. What is the template? We just created a template. Here it is. Welcome customer 888. Select it. Whom do you want to send the email? I want to send the email to Rupam as well as email field, email. Send it to the customer, a copy to me. You can take anything. You can take user, send it to Sachin also. Every time a new contact, a new customer is created, every time a new customer is created, what will happen? System will send an email to the customer plus Rupam plus Sachin if you select. Clear now? Whomever you want to send. You want to send it to a public group, the email will go to a group also. Network support team will get a welcome email. A copy. Ardhamautunda leda. Right? You can send it to roles. Anybody with director marketing will get an email now. Role and subordinate. Role and below. Role, below marketing director. How many people are there? Everybody will now receive this email. What is that email? Whenever a new customer is created and billing city is Hyderabad, whenever a new contact is created, billing city contains Hyderabad or created with the Bangalore, later changed to Hyderabad, email will go out immediately. Remember this. These many people will receive. You want to add any more additional address? No. I say save. Done. One immediate action got created. Another action. What is that? I will say, right, new task. Actions are email, task, field update, outbound. What is the task? Task is assigned to Sachin. Subject is call this new customer. Call this new customer. Right? Due date. Rule trigger date plus 5 days. Yesterday also we did that. Started, in progress. Priority high. Right? This is, if I check this box called protected components, nobody can change it. Right? This is new contact. Please call and explain about our health packages. Perfect. I click on save. How many actions we created? 2. Again, immediate. Task is over, email is over. Field update. I want to update a field. Update description. Update description. Which field? Description. Right? Say use formula. Yesterday we did that same thing. I told you yesterday. Tomorrow also we'll be doing the same thing. I will say email sent, meeting task also created. Email sent, task also created. This will be updated where? In the comments. Click save. Next, outbound message. For that, you need to know integration. You need to have an endpoint URL. I want to post in Facebook. Facebook will give you an endpoint URL. Right? Currently, I don't have any integration classes. I'll give you the video. See, it is there in that class. It's all there. Nothing is not there. There's nothing that nothing is there. Everything is there. Right? Here you say that post in FB. We will pass, what is the data? www.facebook.com. / APOLO, Apollo, HOSPITL / this link will be given by Facebook. Facebook will create a link for them saying that whenever you are calling this link with a password and username and you send the patient name, immediately in all Apollo employees profile, we will post, hooray, Kareena Kapoor got created in our system. Some message. Who will post? Facebook will post. My work is to pass the data to the Facebook. Where will I pass the data? With this link. What data? Name. I'm just passing first name, last name, what are the fields that I want to pass. For that, you have to contact Facebook, you have to pay Facebook. Facebook will not do for free. It's a paid service. The way advertisement keeps on coming in the site, like this it will come. For now, we don't have, so I'm not saving it because this will create a problem. Cancel. This is called as what? Immediate action. Immediately email will be sent. Now we will see time dependent. Second one is called as time dependent. I click on add time. When do you want? 10 days after the rule trigger date. Today the contact is created, immediately the rule will be triggered, immediate an email will go, immediate one meeting will be created, immediately the field will be updated. Then it will wait for 10 days. 10 days. After 10 days, what do you want me to do? Is a question. After 10 days, what do you want me to do? Right? Give me a sec, guys. I'll take this call. Right? हाँ भाई साहब बोलिए. Everybody is able to understand? You want to hear some Bengali? How many of you understand Bengali in the class? One. Anyone understood Bengali language?
Yes, Rupam. I can understand Bengali also.
Oh, somebody from online also understand Bengali. Okay. Right.
I am from Odisha.
Then
So
you
I
should be
can
able to
understand
understand
Bengali also.
50%. Because Odia and Bengali is
Not only
almost a little bit
50%.
similar.
Not only 50%. It is almost 90%.
90% same. Whoa. That's good. My brother is not picking up the call. Sorry? You want to hear? But for the Telugu, no, I speak Telugu well, don't worry. I know Butul, all Butuls. In language, the first thing that you always learn is bad words. Any language, the first thing that you learn is bad words. Remember this, that's the fact. Any language, right? My brother is not picking the phone. Okay, fine, let's continue. Right? Okay, now after 10 days, what do you one minute guys, हाँ भाई साहब बोलिए. अच्छा चलिए फिर से करता हूँ. Right, I'm sending location to this guy. He's coming here to fix a CCTV camera at my home. Right? Okay, let's continue. Make it fast and complete so that no disturbance anymore. Right? Now, after 10 days, what do you want? What are the things to happen? Immediately after 10 days, I want to create a task. What is that? Assigned to whom? Give a user, Sachin. What is the subject? Right? Follow-up meeting. That follow-up meeting should be done on when? Rule trigger date plus on 10th day it will be created plus 5 days. 15. After rule trigger 10 days, this meeting will be created. And this meeting has to be completed within 5 days of the meeting got created. So that's the reason I'm taking 15. Right? So here, right? New customer, 10 days over, please call for feedback. New customer, 10 days over, please call for a feedback. Hello sir, how's your experience with Apollo Hospital? After 10 days, not today. Right? You see, I'll say in progress, waiting for someone else. Hi, and I'll say save. Can I create more than one task? Yes. After 10th day, I want to send an email. For that, again, you have to create a template. The way I created one, you have to create one more template called thank you. Thank you for choosing Apollo Hospital. A thank you email. Now, thank you. Thank you email. I don't have a thank you email, so I'm choosing the same email again. Welcome only, but you will create, right? Whom do you want to send the thank you email? To me, email field, right? Do you want to add any address from the current email address? Yes, current user email address. Save. You can now go ahead and update the field. After 10 days, I'm saying update field. What is that? Update DSCRIPTION. Update description 10 days. 10. Which field? Description field. With what? Right? Thank you email send. Sent. Feedback. Task created. And assigned to Sachin. right? This is what I created. Save. After 10 days, immediately this 3 will happen. After 10 days, again this will happen. Can I create one more? Yes. After 30 days, create one more, time dependent. 30 days after, click save. Then give, what do you want to do 30 days after? Give the actions, new task or new email. Same thing, you can create only 4. Task, email, update, outbound. Only 4. I'll say delete. I don't want 30 days. Today and 10 days. Right? I click on done. So this got saved. You can see that. Right? Now it is the time for us to activate this. So what we will do? We will activate the rule. Right? Activate. Just give me a sec. हाँ भाई साहब बोलिए बोलिए. सॉरी भेजा ना मैं आपको, यही नंबर पे भेजा ना. अरे कैसे नहीं आया? सीन भी आया मेरे को, यही नंबर पे भेजा मैं अभी. मैं 12 बजे एग्जैक्टली 12 बजे भेजा, 5 मिनट पहले. मैं फिर से भेज रहा हूँ, मैं फिर से भेजता हूँ. देखिए दूसरे नंबर से आएगा, ये नंबर से नहीं आएगा, दूसरे नंबर से आएगा, दूसरे नंबर से आएगा, 888 नंबर से आएगा, 888. राइट? चलिए भेज रहा हूं मैं. Oh man, my brother is calling now. Bengali. হ্যাঁ ভাই, এই ক্যামেরাওয়ালা আসছে, ঠিক ওই, তাকে আমি লোকেশন দিয়েছি. আচ্ছা তোকে আমি নাম্বারটা পাঠিয়েছি, একবার কল কর তাকে, সে বারবার ক্লাসে ডিস্টার্ব করছে. চলো রাখ. আমি ক্লাসে এখন. রাইট? Good. How many of you understood? Huh? Bosho, how many of you understood?
Me, sir, Alok.
Yes.
I can understand.
Tell me how many of you understood. Alok understood, it seems. What did I said?
Yes.
Last అర్థమైంది, క్లాస్ డిస్టర్బ్ అంతేనా?
One number is coming, please handle it soon. I am in the class.
Right.
One
That is what I've said.
cameraman is coming.
Again, why I'm calling my brother? Just give me a sec. I'll send this contact to my brother also. Anup.
Rupam,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Can I create a workflow whenever a contact is created or updated? I need to update account related field.
Yes, you can.
Can I
Why
do
not?
that?
You
Can
want
you-
to
can you
create a
show us?
workflow to go ahead and update a field in account.
Yeah.
Whenever a contact is created, you want to go
or
ahead and
contact
update a
field
field
is
in account.
updated. Yeah.
Which account? How will you identify the account?
Contacted related account.
Contact related accounts.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
Will you show us, please? I tried, but I'm not getting.
Try it. Okay. Chalo. Now, on whose name this workflow has to run? This workflow has to work for everyone. On whose name it has to run? So always use admin. See that it says that always use what? Admin. On whose name this has to run? Always use admin on my name. Don't select anything. Let it be all whatever is there. Just say save. You know to check. Don't worry about it. My workflow is now active. Should we go ahead and see? Perfect. Now let's go ahead and see. I go to the contact. Right? I will create a contact name Rupam with city Bangalore. Nothing will happen. Right? We will test 2 scenarios. One will create a city with Hyderabad and one will create a city with Bangalore and then change it to Hyderabad. Right? So let me go ahead. I'm refreshing the screen so that whatever we made the change get deployed. Click on contact, click on new. I'm creating a contact called as first name. What is that? Tell me. Sneha, S-N-E-H-A. Last name. Was that? Sudhir, S-U-D-H-I-R. Okay, perfect. Phone number? No, don't want to share. Okay, 22333-143. Mobile number 9888-143. Right? 143 Sudhir. By the way, you know that default out of box, the phone number accept text also. On the class I have shown you. Right? Email address. Tell me. SUDHIR@sneha.com. Sudhir@sneha.com. Right? Now, the rule will get fired only if you enter the city as Hyderabad, H-Y-D-E-R-A, Hyderpura. Anything with HID, because I said contains HYD. I didn't say equals to HYD. Contains. In Hyderpura also, HYD is there. As soon as I click on save, Aadhaar number. Sneha's Aadhaar number. Right? Now I click on save. Immediately I click on save. See, call. See, one task got created. Call this new customer. Assigned to Sachin. Plus, when I go to the details, see the field. Email sent, task also created. Go and check the email. Any of that email is fake email, right? So a copy I should be receiving it. Let's see. Dear Sneha, right? Here, dear Sneha Sudhir, we are happy. This is your number. This is your email address. See, did I send it manually? No. As soon as we created it, immediately the workflow got triggered. Email was sent. Understood? Same thing. Again, we will do. Again, I'll create one more. Any new? Sandhya, S-A-N-D-H-Y-A. Last name? S-A-T-H-Y-A. Perfect. Phone number? 90000. I hate you. 143. I hate you. Right? Mobile number also 90000. I hate you. Email address. Right? s@s.com. But this time I'm giving what? Right? B-A-N-G-A-L-O-R-E, Bangalore. Aadhaar card is required. 333. As soon as I click on save, nothing will happen. No task created. No email will go out. Right? No comments will be updated in the description. It's a blank. If I go and check my email, I shouldn't be receiving any email. Last email was Dear Sneha. No email. If I'd have taken second option, then also I'd have got nothing. But the system would have fired, checked the condition, and then stopped. Now I change the condition. From Bangalore, I'm changing it to what? Hyderabad. As soon as I change it to Hyderabad, immediately task got created, comment got updated, and right, Dear Sandhya, email also got generated. Next time somebody change, wait. Next time somebody change the city from Hyderabad to Mumbai and click save. Nothing will happen. The comments remain as it is. It doesn't go. Task remain as it is. Doesn't go. Again, someone changed from Mumbai to Hyderguda. Hyderguda. Hit save. Another task will be created. Another welcome email will be sent. Another welcome email will be sent. See, system has sent 2 welcome email. Here, Sandhya, and another also here. What is that? Here itself it's saying 2. 2. 2. Both the email. Here also same email. 2 emails you got. Every time. I want to stop this recurring. I don't once send, I don't want to send again. In that case, we have to do programming. To block it from recurring, we have to do what? Programming. We have to introduce a field called as flag. Whenever the workflow got fired, we will change the flag to sent. If the flag is sent, don't again fire the workflow. Whenever you create a new record, by default that field we will not show. By default the field will be blank. If it's blank, send email, send this. Once the email is sent, then I will update the field to sent. Next time when somebody changes the Hyderabad, again it comes for sending. That time first thing that I'll do is that I'll check that field. Is it sent or blank? It's sent. Thank you. Workflow, sit quiet. We have to do the programming with an if-else logic statement. Currently, anytime it's changed, it will keep on sending the email again and again. Understood the workflow? Yes or no? Everyone? Anybody has any questions? What is? If the user emails fail,
Hello.
then wait, just give me a sec of online. If user email fail, then you have to activate a bounce management. Somebody has asked a question. What happens if the user email address is s@s.com? Right? In such case, come to email, right? Come to email, right? Here it is. Deliverability. Enable the bounce management. Activate bounce. Return the bounce email to the sender. That means if the email is not delivered, that will back to you. Here you have to activate it. If you activate, then all the emails that has been failed will be sent to your Gmail address. Here, I click on, right? That's it. I click on save. Done. Under email, deliverability, under that you'll check this box called as return bounced email to whoever has sent it. Rupam has triggered this rule. So send it back to Rupam saying that mailer at the demon mail, something comes, no? Failure email, unable to deliver, that email will come to you. Perfect. Offline, any question? Sorry, what is that? Not able to hear. Little bit louder. Your voice is not reaching here. Was that? Birthday. On the birthday, right? Correct. Then we have a concept called as schedule apex. We have a concept in Salesforce called as schedule apex. No, we cannot do in time dependent workflow. In time dependent, you have a fixed time. 31st. Everybody will receive happy birthday on 31st. Then my birthday is 17th. You are giving one specific date, but everybody birthday will not fall on that date.
Hi, bro. Can
Right?
you please be on mute?
There
I
are
can't hear.
getting it what I'm saying. Here you can do it, but you have to calculate the days. It will go only once. If you say that November 17 birthday mail has to go, from today you will calculate number of days. Right? Somebody has asked this question. Can we do it? Let's see. Right? Wait online. Right? I go to the workflow action. Can I send a birthday email? Answer is actually yes, but answer is still no. Right? I'm creating a workflow. One is already activated. The new one, I'm taking the old one, which we created and we didn't do. Here I say edit. Right? I will click on time dependent. Right? You see that you have only days. You don't have 11 months. Now tell me 17th November, how many days from now? No, you can't write a logic here. No. Where? 0 days after. After what? You're saying contact birthday, right? Then it will go only one time. You want one time or every year? Every year cannot be done from this. One time you can do one time only. That means this year it will go. Next year it will not go. For that, I want every 17 November birthday email has to go. This year, next year, next to next year, next to next year, like this for 100 years. Whenever you want a recurring, you don't have a recurring option here every year or something. Today it will fire and exactly on the birthday day, 0 day, right? 1 day before. That means on 16th, right? 1 days before. On 16th, my birthday is on 17th. A happy birthday mail will go on 16th. That's it. Thereafter, again next year it will not go. It is a one time. One time done, stop. That is the reason said that birthday mail no, because birthday mail is a recursive. For that, we have a concept called as schedule apex, where you can schedule, send a birthday email from 2025 to 2029. It will not go this year, it will not go next year, it will not go next year. From 2025, 17 November, birthday will go. Up to when? 29. From 30 onwards, it will stop. You can do custom future task with a concept called as batch apex. Sorry, schedule apex. Apex scheduler. We'll come to that topic. I'll teach everything. Next. Right. Right. We don't use Yahoo Gmail. We will be using our company official email address. We'll be using our company official email address. This Salesforce will be linked to your company official email address. Mostly your company will be using Microsoft Exchange server. There are only two email client available. Domino's, Lotus Note, Microsoft Exchange server. Only two famous. Exchange email servers are of only two type. Microsoft Exchange server or Lotus Notes. Domino's, Lotus Notes Exchange server. Salesforce doesn't support Lotus Note. It supports only Microsoft Exchange. 99% of the real-time environment people or companies will use Microsoft only. Microsoft Outlook. See, my company is using Outlook. It is connected to a server called as Exchange server. From where I am receiving this email? These emails are coming from a server called as Exchange server. Everybody is sending a mail to that server. That server is segregating Rupam's email, Ravi's email. It's like a post office, right? From there, we are getting this email. Because it's integrated, self-integrated, it's activated. You have opened this account with a Gmail. It got activated automatically. It has an automatic activation. You don't want, right? These all are there in this email, right? Here it is. Gmail integration sync already on, you see. By default, it's on. We need to off it. Real time, we will off it, and real time, we will sync with what? Outlook integration will sync. See, here Outlook is off. Now we will turn it in real time. What we'll do? We'll turn the Gmail off and we'll enable Outlook. If we enable Outlook, then it will ask you a lot of settings. Which Outlook, where is the Outlook integration server, and everything. Currently, Outlook is off. Got it now? Getting the idea how it is getting connected? Exchange server, yes. Everything you have to pay money in real time. Otherwise, you want a job in Microsoft for 10 lakhs, right? And whatever salary whatever the software you're developing, somebody has to buy it, right? Then only they will be able to pay you the salary. In real time, everything is purchased. Exchange server is purchased. I'm typing a username and password. From where it's verifying? From a server called as AD, Active Directory Server. I know you have never even heard all these things. All this, nobody can unlock my computer. It is password protected. Not Windows password. My password is stored in the network. In my network, in my office, there is a machine called as Active Directory Server. In that AD server, all my username and passwords are stored. Right? So many concepts are there. Anything else? Go ahead, no problem. Yes, you can. You have a complete reassignment option. No, anytime you can reassign an approval. But after approving, you cannot reassign. Without taking an action, it was assigned to Sachin. Sachin saw it. Sachin can transfer this to Rahul Dravid. If he approves it, then he can't transfer because he has already taken the action. Right? You need not to do anything. Direct click on reassign. It will give a list of people. Assigned to Rahul Dravid. Click OK. Automatically be visible in Rahul's screen. He's on leave. He's on leave. Then if you remember in the data management class, mass transfer of approval, right? Sachin's on leave. Then you can transfer Sachin's approval to Rahul, Sachin's approval to Rupam. All the approval administrator can transfer to one person to other person. They can do that. Yeah, right. So thank you. Right. Let's meet tomorrow, same time. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Online, wait. I'm coming there.